Hi guys, it's Cami from NoBiggie.net, and today we're gonna make this 10-minute hot fudge. It's so good and super easy to make. You're gonna wanna eat it with a spoon. Okay, we're gonna start with butter. Basically, you add everything in all at once except for the vanilla. That way you'll add the vanilla at the end. This is evaporated milk going in. Now we're gonna add semi-sweet. These are the mini chips, but actually there's some big chips in there, whatever you have. And then we're gonna add the powdered sugar. And then you're just basically gonna mix it all together until it becomes, starts to boil. So make sure you're using semi-sweet chocolate chips for this and not milk chocolate. Milk chocolate already has a pretty high sugar content. You're gonna want semi-sweet because you're adding in all the powdered sugar. So you're gonna wanna mix constantly. This is not one of those walk away recipes. You're gonna wanna stick around. Okay, so we've let the hot fudge come to a boil for 6 minutes. It's really thickened up. Now that we're done with most of the cooking process, we're gonna add in vanilla. This is just a teaspoon of vanilla. We're just gonna mix it in. We're gonna move it to a jar to help it cool down. So we're just gonna pour it in. All right, so the hot fudge, we've let it cool just a little bit, and now we're gonna serve it on some ice cream. This is probably one of the easiest desserts you're gonna make. I'm excited for you guys to try it. It's so delicious. For this recipe and more, you can visit my site, NoBiggie.net.